The Drama Club sells 5 cupcakes for $3. How many cupcakes will they need to sell in order to raise $11? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my numbers with units. So I have 5 cupcakes. Cupcakes are the unit. And I have $3. Dollars is the unit. I also have $11 with dollars as a unit. I then look to find my ratio. My ratio is 5 cupcakes for $3. So I'll write it as a fraction, 5 over 3. And I'm going to label my units. So this is going to be dollars, and this is going to be cupcakes. Then I'm going to write an equivalent fraction, and I'm going to figure out where to put this 11. The units for the 11 is in dollars, so I'm going to put the 11 on the bottom because that's where my dollars are. Now I'm trying to find this number, so I'll put a question mark there. In order to solve using the Fishy method, I'm first going to put an X in the middle of my equivalent fractions. Then I'm going to connect the two sides that have numbers. So you see this side doesn't have 2 numbers, it only has 1. So I'm going to connect this side. Now I'm going to follow this along, and I'm going to say this times this divided by this equals this. So first, 11 times 5 is 55. Then I'm going to divide it by the only number that's left, which is 3. I know to multiply these two because they're the only 2 numbers that are catty-corner from each other. If I try and multiply 3, you can see that there's nothing to multiply with. So I multiply 11 times 5, and then 3 is the only thing that's left. I'm going to divide by 3. When I do that, I see that 3 can go into 5 one time. I'll subtract that, and I get 2. Then I bring down the 5, and 3 can go into 25 8 times. I realize that I'm going to have a remainder because 3 times 8 is 24. So I'm going to add a decimal and a 0. When I subtract 24 from 25, I get 1. Now I have a 0 to bring down. And 3 can go into 10 3 times. I can't forget to put my decimal up. 3 can go into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. I'll subtract, and I'll get 1 again. And since I know that this is going to keep going because I'm going to keep getting 10, I know that the 3's are going to keep going. So my answer is going to be 18.3, and I'll just round it off. So the answer to the question is the Drama Club will have to sell 18.3 cupcakes in order to make $11.